guys, today I'll be doing my squishy collection, and this was a very highly requested video, so I finally decided to do it, and without further ado, let's dive into the squishies. First off, I have some jumbo squishies. I have this jumbo panda bun, jumbo brush bun, jumbo marshmallow bun, jumbo emotional bread. Here is the back of the packaging. This pie chow. And this jumbo soft serve. I have some Daiso squishies. So I have this Daiso bear, this Daiso bunny, a Daiso bun, and this other Daiso bun. I have these 3 crush balls. So I have the baseball, the basketball, and the football. I have a Rollikuma dorayaki. This is the one with the pink line. This Rollikuma in a cat costume. This Rollikuma cupcake. And this Rollikuma bread. I have this random lamb stress ball. Next, I have a few Hello Kitty squishies. So I have this Hello Kitty strawberry, this Hello Kitty yellow macaron, a Hello Kitty double scoop ice cream, a Hello Kitty cracker, this Hello Kitty bow macaron, these 2 Hello Kitty head buns, so the pink one, and the brown one. Here is a Hello Kitty pink chocolate bar. And lastly, for the Hello Kitty squishies, I have these 3 Hello Kitty donuts. Here is the blue sugar Hello Kitty donut, the pink powdered Hello Kitty donut, and the Hello Kitty powdered donut with chocolate drizzle. I have a few Bear School squishies. So I have this Bear School Jackie head bun, these 3 Bear School ice cream, here is Lulu and Lolo. Then I have 4 Pom Pom Purin squishies. I have Pom Pom Purin holding a hamster. These 2 Pom Pom Purin puddings. So this pink one and this chocolate one. This Pom Pom Purin chocolate French bread. I have 4 Little Twin Stars heart macarons. Here is the hot pink one, the yellow one, the pastel purple, and lastly the teal or turquoise. And all of them come with this tag. I also have these 2 character squishies. I have this pig, and this blue hamster. I have some mini squishies. Here is a mini purple cupcake, this mini hamburger, a mini turtle, this Angry Bird bread squishy, a mini Rollikuma bun, a mini cat bun, mini melon pan bun, a purple paw squishy, this happy emotion bun, a pink panda bun, a mini boy panda bun, this mini Bretto Goody Murphy. Then I have this medium Ampan Man, and this croissant, Here is a Korean taiyaki fish, which is very soft and squishy. A capybara sun pancake. This non-repro Cafe D in blue macaron. Here is the packaging and the squishy. And it has brown filling. Here is a Maymay's Cafe squishy with the yellow filling. And then I have this mini yellow ivory peach. Lastly, I have these 3 squeeze toys. So here is a Doraemon squeeze toy. Enjoy my collection as well as this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!